No way! No way! I caught that on the dash cam! Wild! No fucking way!
This is one student's experience. Individual results vary.
Hey, it's Anna. Have you ever signed up for a phone plan thinking, wow, great price, and then just a few months later, it's like, surprise, your bill's doubled? Pay $25 a month forever. That's unlimited talk, text, and data starting at just $25 a month. No price hikes, no contracts. Plus, with Boost, you're on America's newest 5G network. Head to your local Boost store today.
Что такое?
Fuck. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Yo! What the f? Oh. Yeah. If you want, yeah, please.
Yeah. I was gonna say I probably caught that on the dash cam.
The f, man? What? You just made me crash.
How did I make you crash?
I got a camera. Park right here till the cops come. Asshole. Where are you going? Dude, go get him, please. What the f?
What are your thoughts on motorcycles?
There's only two types of motorcycle people. The ones that have gone down or the ones that are going to go down.
Oh.
It's like it always will
Just
be
a matter of time.
just a matter of time.
Oh, speaking of which. Oh, should we check on him? Are you okay? Okay.
Back in May of 2005 Atlanta. As predicted back in May, the 2005 Atlanta hurricane season hasn't happened. The U.S. has already felt the impact of a major hurricane and two tropical storms.
Ooh, busted. Got the charger.
sky, the opposite houses, and the line of railings. Having finished his scrutiny, he proceeded slowly down the path, or rather, down the fringe of grass which flanked, keeping his eyes riveted upon the ground. Twice he stopped, and once I saw him smile, and heard him utter an exclamation of satisfaction. A man with a notebook in his hand, who rushed forward and wrung my companion's hand with effusion. It is indeed